Good morning, vagabonds. I am leaving Ponte de Lima. I'll be heading to Robiais. Should be a wonderful hike. Should be mostly flat for the most part, and I think it's for like the first 10 kilometers. Then the next 10 kilometers we'll be going up, 400 meters, so should be a pretty high climb. So be enjoyable for the first part and probably be less enjoyable later. So what better way to go on this journey than to express gratitude? Yesterday was a difficult day, both physically and emotionally. There's a lot of uphill, downhill. So just trying to work through these things and get through the depression in order to find a new life amongst us. Anyway, it is doing great so far. Got a great sleep. Legs are feeling a lot better than yesterday. So yeah, so let's go ahead and hit the road. All right, one of the things that I'm grateful for on this trip is I've met people, we've been friendly, and you know, some of the people, like, they continue on our path, and others, they walk faster, others they walk slower. So sometimes we might not see each other again, or you know, we might see somebody further up the road. So having that understanding, it's kind of neat. I'm grateful to see that in action going on. So it's one of the things that I'm grateful for on this trip. You know, I don't know if I did it on the last video, but put something down in the comment section about what you're grateful for. Help me go on, because like tomorrow I'll be going into the darkness of grief again. So seeing your comments will help me along that way. So I think that we've gone up about 200 meters. It's tough. It's one of those things that's a burden. You know, yesterday I was talking about burdens, but today's about gratitude. And one of the things that's great is these people that I've met here. They're kind of like my Camino family. So like I had all these cashews last night. Last night we had cashews with like rice and coconut milk and all kinds of great vegetables. It really soothe the soul, and I'm really grateful for those moments. And you know, what is your thoughts about cashews? You like loved it once you saw them.
Yeah, I didn't know what it was, but once I did it, because in Brazil it's a different, like, it's castanha de caju, and I was like, what is cashews? I couldn't. But anyways, awesome. Yeah.
All right. Yeah, so we're going to go ahead and continue hiking. But yeah, we're all very grateful today. And yeah, no rain.
For our bodies to be able to do this thing, right?
Yeah.
And the good company.
Yeah, the great company.
The energy from the cashews.
Oh.
Yes!
Is anyone coming? Can you help?
Alright, I made it to my hostel. Today was pretty insane. Made it up 400 meters, up a mountain, over a mountain, down a mountain, and to this albergue where I have this beautiful view that you can see behind me. Absolutely gorgeous. It's really hard, strenuous, probably most strenuous hike that I've ever done in my life. Went about 20 kilometers, I think, 25 kilometers. But tomorrow, gonna be hiking over to Spain, so it's kind of exciting. Tomorrow's also, I believe it's Portuguese Independence Day is kind of what it is. It's Revolution Day. So not sure how the hiking and everything's going to be, but we'll see. Won't be able to do much of the cafes. We have been hitting like cafes and kind of taking breaks whenever we've had them, and we've got some music playing here. So I think what I'm going to do is I'm going to get off of here, enjoy the peregrinos that I'm with, or these people that are making the pilgrimage to Santiago. Thank you so much for joining me. I'm so grateful for you, and I hope that you all had put something in the comment section to let me know what you're grateful for, because tomorrow I'm going to be working on some things with grief. Hopefully I've worked through some of these difficult feelings, and these other things that are different stages of grief won't be as difficult. But yeah, until then, Ata Menya, and I'll catch you on the next one.
Okay, you know.